Yeah, big boss energy, brand protector. Hey, one thing about it, I'ma stand. Our clients are the one you should brand copy, just let you know in advance. Hey, real good lawyer, holding a seal. You can get hit with a suit, cause she a junkie for the brand bit. Want all the energy for a brand stick, just protecting the brand. Hey, too much to lose right now, have to put in her hands. Why? They watching, I know they wishing I give them a chance to steal my brand. You steal, I blank, she sue. I'm going to court for protecting this brand. Protect the brand. What's next? Hey, what you got for them? Here we go. Hey, DIY just dropped. We know it's about all for helping our people protect their brand. Hey, we put on for our city. You gotta get with it. Respect. The Rigsby Law Firm is the man. One man, oh, it's used to be out here brand exposed. When we handing it to you, new DIY trademark course, real easy to understand. You can follow your own trademark, won't even cost you a band. Secure your legacy on your brand, that's what we call the level up. You ready to own? You ready to boss up? Then man up, then climb up. Cop this course and then pull up. Show real action, big step up, big boss and energy. T&M ain't good enough, get straight to the art. Cause you wait, they take, you lose. Then there is no brand for you. Protect your brand. All 2021 DIY trademark course just dropped. Make sure you click the link and cop your new DIY trademark course. Protect the brand all 2021, y'all.